Have you ever dreamed of a flawless garden with no effort at all? Imagine a tool so powerful and easy to use that it turns chores into pleasure. Today this dream becomes a reality with the Ryobi 18V Oil Plus OBL1820S if you are interested. 1820 is it if you are interested. Feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours today. This blower is ideal for gardening enthusiasts and professionals looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use tool to keep their outdoor spaces clean and well-maintained. Its ease of use and versatility make it perfect for everyone, from small garden owners to managers of large green spaces. This brightly colored blower, hyper green and gray, is not just a simple tool. It is a revolution in the maintenance of your garden. It is powered by an 18V battery, which means it is cordless, portable, and incredibly easy to handle. You will no longer have to struggle with cables or be limited by the length of an extension cord. With an astonishing blowing speed of 245 km/h, it dislodges dead leaves and debris from driveways, patios, and lawns with unmatched efficiency. Its ergonomic design with a micro-perforated handle ensures a comfortable grip and perfect control. This Ryobi blower is not only a high-performance tool, but it is also designed for your comfort. It is lightweight, weighing only 1.6 kg, which makes it easy to carry and maneuver. Its angled nozzle allows you to lift all debris with enhanced efficiency, making your cleaning tasks a true breeze. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. The most impressive thing is that this blower is part of Ryobi's 18V1 Plus concept. This means that you can use the battery to power over 200 different tools from the brand. Whether for DIY or gardening, this versatility allows you to complete your equipment at a lower cost and at your own pace. Speaking of quality, each component of the Ryobi OBL1820S is designed for durability. The blower is made of durable plastic, ensuring its longevity. Additionally, it comes with a total warranty of 24 months, extendable for an additional year if you register your product within 30 days of purchase. This provides you with complete peace of mind for all your projects. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, portability and cordless design. Its battery power source eliminates the need for cables, providing great freedom of movement. Advantage number 2, lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing only 1.6 kilos, it is easy to carry and handle even for long periods. Advantage number 3, high blowing speed. Its ability to blow at 245 km/h allows for efficient and quick cleaning of leaves and debris. Advantage number 4, ergonomic handle. The micro-perforated handle ensures a comfortable grip and increased control. Advantage number 5, battery versatility. Part of the 18V1 Plus concept, it allows the same battery to be used for over 200 tools from the brand. Advantage number 6, ease of storage. The blowing tube can be detached for compact storage. Advantage number 7, durability. Built with quality materials for a long lifespan. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, battery and charger not included. Sold without a battery or charger, which can represent an additional cost if the user does not already own compatible One Plus products. Disadvantage number 2, limited to small and medium gardens. Although effective, it may be less suitable for very demanding tasks or very large areas. In summary, the Ryobi 18V1 Plus blower is an essential tool for anyone who loves to have a clean and well-maintained garden with minimal effort. Its efficiency, ease of use, and durability make it an essential choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. And now, to turn your garden maintenance into a moment of pleasure, click the link in the description to order your Ryobi blower at the best price. Discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and join the Ryobi community. Don't wait any longer, your perfect garden is just a click away. Thank you for your attention and I hope to see you very soon.